A survey. How do couples meet?
A survey of over 10,000 couples asked them how they first met. The top 3 were first, with 22%, at work. Second, with 20%, through friends. And third, with 15%, at school or university. Next, with 12%, was meeting online. Nowadays, more and more couples are meeting this way. Just 8% met at a bar or club, and 5% through the family, which was quite surprising. Only 4% met on a blind date, perhaps not so surprising. Last of all, just 1% met while shopping. So don't go looking for love in the supermarket. That leaves just 13% who didn't meet in any of these places.
What happened next? Dominic.
I sent Sally a text a couple of days after the date. She played it cool and didn't reply for 2 days. We met up a week later, went for a walk, and then to the cinema. We're still seeing each other. She's helping me train for the marathon, which is next month. She's going to come and watch me. Also, she came to the theatre to watch my play, and she said she liked it. I'm going to meet her parents next weekend. I'm a bit worried about that, but I enjoy being with her a lot.
Sally.
When Dom texted, I knew I wanted to answer, but I made him wait. I'm not sure why. Silly, really, because I really do like him. I enjoyed seeing him act. I think he's a very good actor, but I didn't really understand the play. He's coming to meet my family next weekend. I don't usually take my boyfriends home so soon, but with Dom it's different. I have a good feeling about this relationship. Will it last? Ask me again a year from now.